Abula Tamba. Udo-Ga-Achi. I can avoid a never. I know Osumo for this now. Mana Osumo, the choir of Avoca Bavadi.
Okay. Bomolom. Iha Osumo. In Anambra, especially Newi North, Idemili South, Nak, Achalagas, Hanu maka Osumo. One no Anambra. Osumo Obodo, Made Biluzinia. Every then so they are off go. Makande unknown government case boha. Among come Mississippi code Uganda. Unknown government melu Obodo, the empty. No living soul, you one on your car. When I know all sorts of voice in that. They came to rescue the town. Can there be ya? Dagona Chembandu Udo-Ga-Achi. Yes. Hama, where police if you remember? No. Obodo, Obodo school also. They take it upon themselves that na ga many Obodo then has gone there Obodo na taba. Have seen done non come. Yes, it's a very bold step. On the police area commander Chalmanya area commander Chalmanya said na had whole legal. Had the whole legal, Ajani be me had legal. Yes. Obgon na had the whole legal. Na the law, government me had legal. Ajani be me had legal. And now our ancestral land. Then nana habri na abrinia, habicha ko mo habie. Achira wana ma bacho sia man nebi na onu ka dia school dia uno dia be mmado dia. Imkono idu onye osumo ho ni ebe ko owo. Oya wago osumo. No, onye makoso onwo Obodo mmadu anoho mmadu nwia. But these young able men took their life keep their life at the risk. Ke wete life ni media. The good obodo. Police they see amaya saying that na Udo-Ga-Achi had the whole legal. You check and believe Ogi. Upgoing after my federal court of Nigeria, na Supreme Court of Nigeria say that na what's it called? Udo-Ga-Achi had the whole legal. You can get equate. This is what we need. Near the police now. The police now. Yes, they do their own work. But for the fact that does he make it was him that Udo-Ga-Achi had Olega. Only marry. I bet you will say this their bad. The bad eggs, what their bad behavior. Nay painting the good ones. Because since na man money with good police men na Anambra na the whole Igbo land. I have met with them. I have interacted. They have shared their vision, their mission, even their dreams with me. You will your selfish purpose, your quest for money, your quest for power. Maybe people now struggle to make sure that the policing duty, they are the police duty, policing work of the Igbo land na government. Among them missing me, I'm miss appreciate you. Ejikwa na ego. Ko ye send the account and then on him ofia. Ndia. Then on also mo. Onwe maka miss reach, am much appreciate her. And when you send the account, I go up. In fact, me send the biko onye can miss reach in that. I want to appreciate them. Then may post to. And we get tag in the comment section on post to the account. These people need to be appreciated. Imambu abo solution osumo. Imambu the storytellers. Biko obule na osumo ohu. You see that no send the account to command onu or onye obuna onu ya trust ni. Achọ me itiri unu something. Unu open ohana. Una ebara na titi something say when dey onwe shop dey back here you go tife ni ya. Abana na hota bi obodo now. Na etiri he ego ka obuna ka we na eri nni. Am na government na kata for them, but I want to appreciate them from my mind. Obuna ka we na eri nni. Kedu obodo kedu afa ye gote nni ahụ ya? Kedu shop afa ye gote mmiri ni ya? Ka ife home azia choose over that life. Ndi youth ibe ha na ebi. please onwe ka unu esi nweta account nyenụ ya. I want to appreciate you people. I want to appreciate you people. Secondly, account ahụ na-enye m ga-etikwa na public o. I'll put it only really appreciated. Onye nwe 100 naira ti appreciate enu ndị a ọ dịghị easy. Ebe ndị polisi ya nọ n'ilo kwuchisi ilo na-enye nọmba na ego na Anambra steeti, Enugu steeti, Imo, Abia, Ebonyi. Ọ bụrụ ndị homeland security. I beg that's not money security the police. But how na gbonu mgba. But that word that na Udo-Ga-Achi adịghị it hurts me. It hurts me. It hurts me because police no n'obodo a ndị what's it called? Ndị kidnapper na-akpa ha na-akpa. I could have been a victim of kidnapping 3 times. Ask everybody. Ma'am, I ran from Nnewi to Nanka. I'm not too also. I ran from Amoko to Nobi. I'm not too also. Can't make up PBA. And police was active there. Imagine, I got put in the police station. I was in the police station. Nanka, I won't forget that day. Cross park your motor. Quack in the police station by 7 after 7 on Sunday. Policeman who is there said that the kidnappers are after me or saying, what are you doing outside by this time? 7 after 7. The policeman didn't open the gate for me. I have to carry my car. You see, opposite that gate. Opposite that gate, Nanka. Fence. Just all alone kind of field. Eba can la that day. Brumo to the park one end road Imofia. Gano Kagalaho. Yes, policeman saying, what are you doing outside by that time? Omeho 4 months say you go to Udo-Ga-Achi. Obodo nyo ye nedelo. Yes, they may be doing their own gra as onye na force onye egbe na check out you that can put any hope. We understand how their own lapses there, which is very bad. But that contribute more. But it's not legal. Let me tell you for free. Tap can you get the secret here? Of our excellence Governor Charles Udo. Governor Charles Udo have more trust and confidence in Udo-Ga-Achi than Anambra police. Quote me anywhere. Sir, sorry, I leak the secret. That may be sorry, sir, I have leaked the secret. I can go and trust her. Trust Udo-Ga-Achi carrier police, yes. I will go higher. I will go higher. I won't bend you. So one of your secrets is out, and that's by the way. Ani Igbo ga-adị mma. Same Udo-Ga-Achi adịghị legal.